Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a 4th of July firework. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon firework, let's begin by drawing the top. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make this kind of at an angle. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to here and then I'm going to bring it over here. Next, I'm going to curve this line across here and then connect it. Then I'm going to bring this line down at an angle, and then I want to bring this line down at an angle. I want to curve this line right to here, just to make the bottom of our firework. Starting here, I'm going to go down and up, and I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to go down and up, and then down and up. Then I'm just going to go down and up here. Now I want to make some stripes on here. So I'm just going to draw some curved lines. So I'll draw a line right here. Then I'll make another one. And I'm just going to continue this pattern. You can see I'm kind of curving them a little bit. Trying not to change the width of the stripes. We're just going to kind of bring these right up here with a curve. Then I want to put a fun little face on here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to put another circle for an eye over here. Then I'm going to make a circle inside of here, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white for the pupil. And then same thing here. Next, I'm going to make a smile. And then a line that's going to come down here. I'm going to curve this line over for the tongue. Then I'll bring a line over and up for some teeth. And then a line down for the mouth. Then we'll put a little line right here on the tongue. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little 4th of July firework. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.